Hello students, welcome to our class. Hope you are all fit and fine. I think you have watched and got an idea about previous topic. What is our previous topic? Did you remember? Let us have a recap of our earlier video before we start our today's session. In earlier video, we have learnt about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable, which can be counted, uncountable, which cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns are objects that cannot be separated and counted individually. We use quantifiable words such as some or a little before uncountable nouns to quantify them. Singular, plural. One more thing what should you remember is for uncountable nouns in singular and plural we use the same words, and here how can you separate them? By using the words much, some or a little before uncountable nouns to quantify them, to show variation. It's time to check your answers of previous class assigned work. One noun for many words. R. Complete the dialogues with words from the box. First one, watchman. Second one, island. Third one, philanthropist. I have told the meanings of these words in your previous video also. Fourth one, amateur. Fifth one, ambassador. Sixth one, pilot. Seventh one, author. Eighth one, anonymous. Ninth one, optimist. Exercise. Read the following dialogue. So here I have already intimated you and highlighted about one point. What is that? At the time of deciding whether the word is countable or uncountable, it depends upon the usage of that word in the sentence. We have decided or we have done this exercise based on that point only. In the dialogue Daisy, batter, uncountable, cake, countable, grandma, countable. Birthday, countable. In Shashi, nothing is there. And in Daisy, flow, uncountable, X, countable. See here, children. Underline the common nouns in the dialogue you have read and write them in the correct columns. Now I am reading out those words here. Those will be very easy to write instead of underlining here. Check from this column. Countable nouns. Under this heading, what nouns will come? I am reading out now. Cake, eggs, a glass bowl, birthday, grandma, metal, microwave oven, containers, walnuts. Uncountable, batter, flour, butter, milk, sugar, chocolate, baking powder, chocolate powder. Exercise T. Cross out the countable nouns in each list of uncountable nouns. Write U in the circle and cross out the uncountable noun in each list of countable nouns and write C in the circle. In the first one, cross out enjoyment. Write in the circle C. Second one, cross out bronze. In circle C. Third one, cross out driver. In circle U. Fourth one, cross out skill. In circle, C. Fifth one, value. Cross out value and in the circle you write U. Sixth one, cross out classwork and in the circle you write C. Seventh one, magazine you cross out and write in the circle U. Eighth one, field you cross out and write in the circle U. Exercise U. Complete this crossword of uncountable nouns with the help of the clues. First one, music. Second one, courage. Third one, oil. Fourth one, ink. Fifth one, scenery. Sixth one, honey. Seventh one, steam. Eighth one, wool. Ninth one, cheese. 10th one, rice. I believe that everyone answered well and corrected your mistakes if any mistakes are there. Write without spelling mistakes and I demand legible handwriting or advice. So today onwards we are going to commence our lessons. The title of our lesson is Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Well-known name and we are fond of his stories also. No need of specific introduction about him, as we all have good acquaintance with his name and stories. I believe you enjoy a lot the story of this lesson. Can you guess who are they? They are famous actors who performed the role of Tenali Ramakrishna on the screen. Tenali Ramakrishna was an Indian poet. He was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker. And he was also a special advisor in the court of Sri Krishna Deva Raya. We have to feel proud he was a Telugu poet. Two questions. What are they? What will happen if somebody changes his or her job suddenly? What can you understand by this question? Can you guess how the situation will be there? For example, driver is there. I will tell the driver to paint the house neatly. So suddenly I change his job from driver to painter or from painter to driver. Can the driver paint the house beautifully or the painter can drive the car skillfully? Can you answer? Or is it the correct way of doing? Second question. What will you do if you take an incorrect decision? For example, hastily I have taken a decision. What is that? I have appointed driver as a painter. So later I have recognized my mistake, that I have done a mistake. Then what will I do regarding that, or what will you do regarding that? Is there any answer from your side? Think and keep it on the paper. Jobs or occupations or professions. Driver, a person who drives a vehicle. Cook, who cooks. Painter, who paints. Conductor, well known to all. He gives tickets in the bus. Carpenter, who makes furniture. Doctor, treats the patients. Manager, manages the things or an organization. Electrician, so he does the work related to electricity. Musician, who composes. What does he compose? Music. Characters. The characters in the lesson, the clever Tenali Ramakrishna are Sri Krishna Devaraya. Who is Sri Krishna Devaraya? Emperor. What's the meaning of the word emperor? Tenali Ramakrishna, jester. What does it mean? Chitravarma, painter. Two more characters are minister, courtiers. Some important words in the lesson. Just now we have come across the word emperor, jester. Okay, let us learn the meanings of those words before we go into the lesson. Emperor, a ruler of an empire. King, empire, a state ruled by an emperor. Empire means what? State. Jester, an entertainer in the court who amuses the people, who makes the people to laugh by his deeds or work. Advisor, one who gives advice, means suggestions. Cook, one who cooks. Example, my mother cooks well. She is a good cook. Court, a place where the king and courtiers assemble, means meet, for meeting. Remember the meanings of these words to understand and enjoy the lesson. Let us go into the lesson. The title of the lesson, Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. In the title itself they have given, means they have described about Tenali Ramakrishna. How will the Tenali Ramakrishna be? Or how was he? He was very clever, intelligent, spontaneous. Chitravarma, one of the important character in this lesson. Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. So, who was the famous means what? Well-known painter. What is the name of the painter? Chitravarma. In which court he was famous painter? In Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. Sri Krishna Devaraya was the emperor of Vijayanagara Empire. What's the name of the empire? Vijayanagara. One day Sri Krishna Devaraya saw the paintings of Chitravarma and felt very happy. So one day what happened? Chitravarma, who has seen the paintings of Chitravarma, Sri Krishna Devaraya has seen the paintings of Chitravarma and was delighted. Delighted means what? Felt happy and started appreciating Chitravarma. You are a beautiful painter. You are a skillful painter. You have a lot of talent. Like that, he started appreciating him. Even Chitravarma also felt very happy as the king started appreciating him, and he will be rewarded in this aspect. One day Sri Krishna Devaraya saw paintings of Chitravarma and felt very happy. Generally, if he felt very happy, what should he do? He should reward him or award him by giving some money or gold like that. But in a different way or strangely, Sri Krishna Devaraya behaved. And what kind of decision he has taken? Hastily or unknowingly to him. Yes, we can use such kind of words because you will only understand why did I use such kind of words if I read the rest part of the sentence or rest of the sentence. And appointed him the chief advisor. He was delighted by looking at the paintings of Chitravarma, and what did he do? Well done. You have painted very well, and he has advised him, and he has appointed him as his chief advisor to give valuable suggestions in important situations. But Chitravarma was not successful in his job. So he was not successful. How can he be successful? Will he be successful? No, not at all, because his occupation or profession or job is painting. He is a good painter. Then how can he perform the role or job of or the job chief advisor in a successful way? His plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. There was no clarity in the decisions taken by Chitravarma. the elders of the empire decided to seek help from the court's jester Tenali Ramakrishna in this matter. Elders means other ministers, advisors who are there in the court decided to inform about this critical situation to whom? To Tenali Ramakrishna about this difficult situation. Here they have used the word jester. We have gone through this word in the meanings of important words right now in previous slides. What's the meaning of the word jester? Jester means the person who makes others to laugh, who entertains others. See in this picture, what can you observe in this picture? Can you guess or think where the situation has taken place? It has taken place in the court of Sri Krishna Deva Raya. There are three characters or three members are there in this picture. One is Sri Krishna Deva Raya, two minister, and the third one, can you guess? The person has covered his face with a pot and only his eyes were visible. Can you guess who is he? He is none other than Sri Krishna Deva Raya. So one day what happened is Sri Krishna Deva Raya was annoyed or got lot of angry due to the behavior of Tenali Ramakrishna and warned him not to show his face. Immediately next day, what did he do? He has covered his face with a pot and came to the court. And the king started laughing by the what? Can you guess? Smartness or intelligence of Tenali Ramakrishna. So, like this, he thinks about the situations or he handles the situations in a very smart way. That's why the elders of the empire thought to inform about this difficult situation, how to overcome this difficult situation. We need Tenali Ramakrishna. He takes right decision regarding this. They have decided and they have informed to Tenali Ramakrishna. Tenali Ramakrishna decided to tell the emperor that the appointment of the painter Chitravarma as chief advisor is not proper. Yes, but did he tell directly to Sri Krishna Deva Raya? If he tell directly or if he complains that he is not the correct person to be your chief advisor, will the king listen to his words? What did he do? What kind of action has been done by him? Did he tell directly or did he play any sort of tricks or any sort of action for making the king to understand that his decision is not correct? I know you are very eager to know. Let us persist the lesson, then you will get an idea. So he invited Sri Krishna Deva Raya for his son's naming ceremony and offered lunch. Naming ceremony. Naming ceremony means what? It's also a kind of function. In that function, to the newborn child, they keep name. So to that function, whom did the Tenali Rama invited? Tenali Rama invited Emperor Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Then what happened at the time? After eating lunch, Sri Krishna Deva Raya felt angry with the cook because the dishes were not tasty. Tenali Ramakrishna invited Sri Krishna Deva Raya to the naming ceremony of his son. Sri Krishna Deva Raya has come, blessed the child, completed having his lunch also in Tenali Rama's home. But how did he feel? He felt very bad and he was so angry. He was so furious. Why? What's the reason? Because the dishes were not delicious. They were not at all tasty. The cook did not cook them well. So the Krishna Deva Raya started describing the dishes also. How were the dishes? Some dishes were too salty, some dishes were too spicy. Some dishes were too spicy. Some dishes were overcooked. What's meant by overcooked? Means, for example, within 5 minutes it will be cooked. If you cook for 10 minutes, then what happens? It becomes overcooked, and even that also spoils the taste of a recipe. And some were not properly cooked. Those were not cooked properly. They all ran for water. All started feeling thirsty because as the food items were not tasty, some are salty, some are spicy, overcooked, improperly cooked. Due to these, they want to have some water. Tenali Ramakrishna said that the cook was a good carpenter. Then immediately what did he tell? He was a good carpenter, my lord. Then how did the Sri Krishna Devaraya feel? He was shocked or surprised by the response, or the way how did the Tenali Rama respond or behave? Due to his behavior, how did he feel? The emperor asked Tenali Ramakrishna why he arranged a carpenter for cooking. He was shocked and he started asking, why did you do like this? What's the reason for doing like this? How can the carpenter cook well? Don't you know that also? Tenali Ramakrishna politely, in a humble way, said, if a painter can be your chief advisor, why can a carpenter not be a cook? Then, very politely, slowly, he started speaking. How did he speak? My lord, so you have appointed a painter as your chief advisor. Then why can't a painter can be a cook? First answer for this question, then you speak about the cook. Then Sri Krishna Devaraya realized his mistake and sent Chitravarma back to his painter job. So immediately he has taken his decision back and advised Chitravarma or told Chitravarma, you be as a painter only. You can do your job. All the people hailed Tenali Ramakrishna for his presence of mind. So all the people started appreciating him. Who? Tenali Ramakrishna. For his smartness or intelligence or for his presence of mind. Answer the following questions. You can write the answers in your notebook, English notebook. Who was Chitravarma? Why was the emperor angry with Tenali Ramakrishna? Opposite words. Opposite words are also known as antonyms. Write the opposite words using prefixes. Here they have mentioned the prefixes ir, il, im, an, in, and dis. The first one is done for you. Happy, unhappy. You can write, you may get doubt. Madam, we can write sad also. No, why should we write unhappy? Here they have specified very clearly. You have to write the answers or opposites of the given words by using the prefixes. That's the reason you have to use these only. And you have to write the answer. Even for these also you have to use those prefixes to answer. Regular, agree, legal, correct. Conjunctions. Read the following sentences and observe how the words in bold are used. Example, it is all your affection and encouragement. Second one, people grew impatient, but the emperor continued to support him. Third one, bring him at once or you will be punished. The words and, but, or, so, etc. are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join the sentences or words together. Junction. So, to make those two sentences as a sentence, to join them, we use conjunctions. See here, they have highlighted the conjunctions also. Conjunctions are joining words. They join two or more words or sentences. Example, he studied well so he passed. She got fever but she went to school. Now fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. First one, all the people are staying at home dash the doctors dash, the police are doing their duty. Options, what did they give? But, or, and, or. Second one, you can use soap dash a sanitizer. Options, or but. Precautions to be followed to avoid corona.